Hi, I am Don Scooter, and today on GNN, Glanville's Nature News, we are with Professor Gnn Exclusive with a PhD in marine biology from Princeton University in Princeton, New Jersey. Welcome to the show, Professor.
Hello, thanks for having me here.
So, what do you think about the loss of fish all around the world's oceans?
The loss of fish in oceans and saltwater habitats is usually due to three main things: overfishing, ocean pollution, and climate change.
I heard you say overfishing. What is the problem with us fishing? Is it the equipment or is it us?
Well, actually, it's both. We are bringing way more ships than we need. Humans are bringing fishing fleets to sites that are 2 or 3 times the size of what we need.
Why are we bringing that many ships?
Because we feel like we need fish and the fish population will only go down a little.
Why is overfishing such a problem, though?
It's a huge problem. If you catch way too many fish, the population can't sustain itself. And if it can't sustain itself, soon enough there will be no more of that fish species.
Secondly, you said pollution is a problem. We are already aware of how it is a problem, but can you explain what type of pollutants are causing such a traumatic mark on marine life?
When it rains, we have such large amounts of toxins and pollutants. These toxins enter the water, which then pollute the seas. But there are, of course, other ways on how oceans are polluted.
Can you explain these other ways to me?
Of course. In the ocean, there's something called gyres. These gyres are areas with no current. All the trash you put in the ocean collects in these gyres, most notably the Great Pacific Garbage Patch. Eventually, this might seem a bit overboard, but it could happen. Our oceans will be completely filled with garbage.
How long might this take?
Depends on how much we pollute, but at this rate, the whole world will be covered by trash by 21 years.
I also heard you say climate change. What is the problem with the climate?
One big problem is global warming. Warming the earth is lowering some ocean fish population. With global warming, the ocean's temperatures will heat up and some fish could die off because the fish like cold water.
Can this also happen with some animals?
Yes, also turtles can die off. This is true because the temperature of the atmosphere helps determine the gender of the turtle. If it's cool out, there will mostly be males. If it's warmer, there will mostly be females. The turtles can die off because of warm weather. There will be mostly girls, and the turtles will die off because of canada.
What about polar fish and animals?
Because of global warming, the polar ice caps are melting and the ocean will overflow. This is also the animals that live there will drown because there is no land for them.
Sorry, but that's all the time we have for today. Thank you for coming.
No problem. Thanks for having me here.
That was Gnn Atkinson on Glanville's Nature News. See you guys tomorrow.
Sponsored by Armin and Justino's Milk Park.